I'm going to be turning this piece of pecan that I've had around the shop for quite a while. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make a Kiddush goblet for the rabbi at work. I made all the other chaplains goblets and never made him one, so I gave him a heads up that I was going to be making one. We'll see how it works out. Hope you folks enjoy the video. Also, I'd like to mention I haven't put the video out for about a month. The temperatures here on the west coast have been pretty high, and since my shop is under a canopy, the temperatures get really high. Well, here's the end result. I'm pretty happy with the outcome. The wood's really nice. I added some blue epoxy, and obviously the two stripes represent the first two tribes of Israel, which is Reuben and Simeon. But yeah, it came out really nice, and I'm happy with the results. If you folks made it this far into the video, totally appreciate your support. And as always, thanks for watching.